Hello children, Ravisa here. Dear children, today we are going to start with a new chapter in social science, Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicraft and Fine Arts. The second chapter in the history section of social science textbook for class 10. But before we move on with the chapter, first let's have a look at the allocation of marks for this chapter. As you can see, this chapter carries total 3 marks in the exam. In section A, one objective type question will be asked for 1 mark. In section B, one 2-mark question will be asked in answer in brief. Thus, total 2 questions will be asked for 3 marks. Right. After the allocation of marks, now let's have a look at the main topics that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Children, in your textbook, this chapter has been divided into following segments. Number 1, introduction to the chapter. Number 2, types of art forms of India. 3, traditional handicrafts of India, and number 4, fine arts of India. In this session, we are going to discuss the first 2 points together. So, let's get started with the chapter. First, let me ask you a very simple question. What do you mean by heritage? Children, we have already understood its meaning in first chapter, right? So you should be able to answer it. Come on. Yes, you are right. Whatever is passed from old generation to the new generation is called heritage. Dear children, in the first chapter, we have also seen the 2 types of heritage, natural heritage and cultural heritage. But in this chapter, we shall try to understand the types of heritage from cultural point of view. Accordingly, the first type is genetic heritage, or say genetic inheritance. For example, physical and mental characteristics that we inherit from our parents by birth, यानी जो भी शारीरिक या मानसिक लाक्षणिकताएं जो हम अपने माता पिता से प्राप्त करते हैं उन्हें जेनेटिक इनहेरिटेंस कहते हैं. The second type is material heritage. For example, house, land, estates that we inherit from our ancestors, यानी जो भी मकान, जमीन, जायदाद जैसी भौतिक चीजें जो हमें अपने पूर्वजों से विरासत में मिलती हैं उसे हम मटीरियल हेरिटेज यानी भौतिक विरासत कहते हैं. राइट. Now the third type is cultural heritage. For example, the traditions, customs, arts and skills that we inherit from our ancestors. यानी जो भी परंपराएं, रीति रिवाज, कला और कौशल्य या तालीम जो हमें अपने पूर्वजों से विरासत में मिलती है उसे हम कल्चरल हेरिटेज यानी सांस्कृतिक विरासत कहते हैं. राइट. डियर चिल्ड्रन, in this chapter we are going to discuss the different art forms and skills that we have inherited from our ancestors as a part of our cultural heritage. Children, if we refer to our ancient literature, we come to know that our ancestors had the knowledge of 64 different art forms. Among them, even yoga was an integral part of their education system. And as a result, today the whole world celebrates 21st June as the International Yoga Day. Right? Anyways, these different art forms can be divided into two groups: traditional handicraft and fine arts, wherein traditional handicraft includes various art forms. For example, clay work, art of weaving, art of embroidery, diamond work, bead work, enamel work, inlay work, jari work, akik work, leather work, metal work, wood work. While fine arts includes various art forms such as painting, music, dance, dramatics. Right. So dear children, today we discuss the different types of cultural heritage as well as different art forms. In the next session, we shall start with the traditional handicraft. Okay? Till then, wish you all the very best with today's learning. Bye.